Hi, I'm Nova Trueheart. Today we're learning the 4 cardinal directions. Cardinal directions are the main ways we tell where things are. They are north, east, south, and west. A compass rose is a simple picture that shows these directions. North is at the top, east is to the right, south is at the bottom, and west is to the left. Here is a silly sentence to help you remember the order. Never eat soggy waffles. That stands for north, east, south, west. Let's make a body compass. Choose a north in your room. Face north. Your right arm points to east. Your left arm points to west. Your back points to south. Some directions are opposites. North is the opposite of south. East is the opposite of west. The sun can be a clue. In the morning, the sun rises in the east. In the evening, the sun sets in the west. Now use directions to tell where things are. If your notebook is at start, the pencil in front is north of start. The water bottle to the right is east of start. The backpack to the left is west of start. The chair behind is south of start. You did it. You can name, point, and use north, east, south, and west.